Over the last few years, we've been able to give some of our physics students at Lancaster University a fantastic opportunity to go to La Palma.
It was the best experience I ever had.
It will be one of the absolute defining moments of my degree.
The main highlight for me was stepping out onto the balcony into what was essentially complete darkness to the point where you couldn't see your hand in front of you, and slowly watching the night sky appear above you.
The actual observations was really cool. So you go into the telescope and it's essentially this time-forgotten landscape. So you are doing the observations and you're working the telescope.
Being able to travel to La Palma was an amazing experience, from the scenery and the weather to actually using a real-life telescope.
This is one of the incredible opportunities that happen to students within the Observational Astrophysics group at Lancaster University. If you want to see any more things that you could do at Lancaster, particularly within David Sobral's XGAL group, you can check out the blogs, activities and other videos at xgal.uk.